Picking friends. Susie made up a game at recess. Her game was to pick which girls got to play with her. Sometimes she would pick one girl and sometimes she would pick two. It always hurt the other girls' feelings when they did not get picked. One day, no one wanted to play with Susie. She felt so sad and she sat on the bench by herself. A group of her friends walked over to her and said that she could play with all of them together. They said Susie had hurt their feelings by only picking one girl at a time. Now, boys and girls, after listening to that story, I want you to think about what is the moral of this story? What lesson did we learn through Susie's actions? And in a complete sentence, I want you to write the moral of the story is, and write what lesson you think she learned. Then, for number 2, it says, how do you know that is the moral of the story? I want you to try and go into the text and maybe underline some evidence that would prove how you know that's the moral and put a number 2 next to it. And finally, number 3 says, what did the character learn about her own life? What do you think Susie learned through these actions and events of this story? And in a complete sentence, answer that on line 3. Thank you.